Video you're about to see is from earlier this winter, late fall. I lost some footage. Out of sync from the last video. There was snow on the ground. This one, there's no snow. Anyways, I hope you enjoy it. Sorry for the mix-up. Primarily, I want saw logs. Because I know in getting saw logs, I'm gonna have lots of firewood, because there's always butt junks, and then there's the tops and so on. So for every log you cut, or 2 logs, every tree you get 1, 2, 3 logs out of, there's always a top and chunks of wood. So, and then you got to cut some trees to get at the logs, so you don't let that go to waste, so you cut that as firewood. So anyways, I'm primarily going for logs. So I got my bottle of water, I got a wedge, make sure that tree goes the way you want it to go, because I've been caught where it's going back in the woods is so much harder to get clean up. So I got a little hatchet and my tool bag with files and tools. Touching up before I start my day. Okay, I got a few sticks down here chopped up. So I'm trying to get at that big juniper there. We call them junipers, some people call them tamaracks, I don't know. We'll call it juniper. Anyways, there's a few trees in the way, so that's what I got here, all chopped up. So, got my notch cut there. And it's leaning back into the woods there, so I don't want it to go that way. I want it to come out here, so I'm going to try something I don't normally do. So I may get this wrong the first time, but I'm going to give it a good shot. I'm going to get my saw in there, and then behind my saw I'm going to put this wedge, and hopefully the wedge will keep my saw from getting jammed and keep the tree will start leaning forward. It's leaning back right here, and then it's starting to lean out a bit, so we'll see. I'm confident that we'll get something done with it. We'll get it figured out, I hope. Okay, that didn't go as planned, but it worked out okay. So, see, that's a beauty of a stick there. So I wanted to go out here, but because it was attached and all the limbs were intertwined with this tree, it started hanging to the right a bit. So that's okay. This is not going to be our work area. There's not much wood there. We're actually working in here to cut this for firewood. So that's okay. And the quad's over there, so I missed the quad, so it all worked out. So I'll just clean this up now, and I'll have a look at this and see if I need to cut off a couple butts. Probably cut off a couple, because it looks like we've got some rot. Yeah, so we're rotting there. So I got to cut off, which is okay, because it's big and heavy down there. So, and it looks like it gets straighter as we go. So that's okay. I'll work away now, and 1, 2, or 3 butts probably off of this. Then I have a nice, really nice log there. Okay, that's unusual to have that many rot, that much rot. So let's see where we're at here. Okay, we're good with it. I can live with that. But makes for some good firewood. Yeah, that stuff burns really hot. That was a little bit too long, but not too long, but a little long for splitting. So okay, so now I'm gonna see if I can get a log in there. Could be tight, but we'll get if nothing else, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, whatever. Good blocking, right? So juniper makes the best wood for that. So let's carry on. There you go. Okay. So usually you get 2 logs out of it, but because of the rot, I only got 1. Lots of firewood, of course. You see me bucking up all the limbs. The limbs are great for burning, great. So you get a lot out of this tree, a lot harvested. You don't waste much at all. Small little piddly ass limbs. So now I gotta clean this up because this is our road. Pack it because For the time it takes, I just kind of settle it down a little bit, but that's good enough. It's a waste of time to pack it. You don't get that much more wood in there, so throw it in fairly tight and call it good. And so I'm trying to make a load of logs, and in doing so I get a load of firewood, but I got, like, because of the trees I cut, I got more firewood than I got logs. So anyways, that's just the way it is. So I got 2 logs in there, 1 10-footer here, I think it is, and then of course this is firewood. So anyways, I'm gonna take out this firewood and then come back and come back with my log trailer, and we'll get that aboard. Okay, load number 2. So we got a log there, log in there, 2 logs there, I think it is. Yeah, so anyways, 2, 3 there. Anyways, 4 or 5 logs, so enough to come in for a load. That's a heavy one there, so I'm gonna have to use a crane on that one. But yeah, 2 sleigh loads, or 2 boxes of wood. So I got my 4 logs there, rounded up. They're pretty light. It's not worth getting out to the crane, but this big juniper I'm gonna use the crane for. Remember, once I get home on the pile, my mini excavator does all the work after that. So you know, I had people say, "Oh, you need a winch, electric winch on this now," and no, I don't, because then you got electric winch. I got electric winch, but you put it on here, and then you got to run cables. Then you have a place for the battery, and then you got to charge the battery, and because the bike, you can't charge the battery with the bike because there's not enough power. You don't get a chance to charge it up in time, right? Well, you could leave the bike running all the time, but it'd be just a pain in the ass. So anyways, it's not worth it for a few, I don't know, not even effort, not much effort, extra effort actually at all. You know, you just saw me pick that one up pretty easy with the crank. So, and like I said, if a load of logs, only one I needed it for, really. The rest, you know. So anyways, I don't need electric winch for this. If I was going commercially and big trailer, like a lot bigger than this, I mean, I'm only getting a few logs for myself, and next year, you know, I'd like to get 100 for this year. I like to. I got 55, well 60 now, so we'll see how it goes. And then I don't need to be getting 100 logs every year. I just don't have a use for the wood. So and I got 2 wagons, 2 cartloads of wood, firewood, and some nice logs. So hey, if I do that every day for a couple weeks, be in pretty good shape, right? So anyways,
hello everybody, Brian and I here, and we have some really cool news. We got a few little goodies here that people can purchase online.
Star Creation
with a young lady by the name of Stella, and we have some pretty cool things. We got your average t-shirt, We got some lovely bags, come in all different colors. Same with the t-shirts, colors and styles, your option. We got these great little beanies, very comfortable. This lovely sweatshirt as well. Baseball caps. In our content description, it'll have a link to her website.
Star Creations.
Star Creations, that's right. Take a little peek around there and see if there's anything that you like.
You'll see a bunch of YouTube channels listed there. And you'll see Cod Raven. So you can click on that link. You'll see some stuff there. But basically anything she has available for a product, she can put our logo on. So anything that might tickle your fancy, go ahead. And if you do purchase anything from her and with our logo on it, send us an email and we will include that picture in an upcoming video.
Yes, and just before I head out, I just want to say thank you to everybody for your support after my little incident there.
Holly's
and my hip replacement.
Sporting a new hip.
So thank you again for that. But until next time, everybody take good care and hope to talk to you soon.
Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 55, I think, is the final count here right now. All nice, nice, good sized logs. Just got a line on some big buggers. So and close. So I'm gonna get at those next few days.